Hi guys, today we talk about how can you add route on your AllTrails app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on profile down here. So then you come to this list here on your profile, then you just click here on try navigator here. Then you come to this list here, you click here on add route. So then you just come to this list here. So I have no routes here, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list too, because it's not available here. So you just choose it here, then it's going to add video. And here can you add this navigator here if you want to choose trade here or more. So can you add here all this information here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.